हाय। तो आज हम बात करेंगे टेरिटोरियल आर्मी के बारे में। सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव सेंट मैसेज व्हाट्सएप पे, काफी बच्चों ने मैसेज भेजा एंड वी वर एक्चुअली स्टक विद द एनडीए कोर्सेज बिकॉज एनडीए एग्जाम इज द फोरमोस्ट, right? So it becomes very difficult to manage all the courses at that single moment of time, and that too online, right? So anyways, so let's start. So the first thing that whenever someone plans for the territorial army, you Google it, right? So many of the students who Google it, I am keeping the session in English. मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी यूज कर लूंगा because majority of the questions sent to us on our official number were from South Indian candidates. So if I speak in Hindi, I may feel that this will be quite discomfortable for them. So anyhow, we'll try to keep bilingual as and when necessary. The first thing, when you Google it, you can find a lot of websites named Territorial Army, something, right? So there are many private websites as well. Private matlab these are kind of coaching institutes like us, right? So they have named their website as territorialarmy.in. So when you find this website, territorialarmy.in, this is not official websites. That's why I put a cross. It's a kind of coaching institute. It's a kind of coaching which actually sells their material. Matlab they have their own set of study material. This is what they say, right? And it looks like official Territorial Army website, but it is not. That because one of the candidates from Kerala called me and he was talking about this. That's why I thought that I should tell this in the video so that everybody should be aware of this. You are mature enough to identify between private and government portals, right? So what is the original website? This year, Territorial Army has come up with this official website, jointerritorialarmy.gov.in, right? So .gov.in, this is the domain which is given to anything which is government in nature, right? As well as nic.in. So whenever you see any website nic.in or gov.in, that belongs to the government of India. NIC is National Informatics Center. That is of course a government body. Okay, तो पहली चीज ये, क्योंकि आप इसको पढ़ने लगते हो तो दिस इज who sells their study material या कोचिंग है, इससे आपको शायद फायदा नहीं होगा. You think that this is the official, ऐसा नहीं है. That is only for your information. Now coming to the agenda. If I talk about the written exam, you can take out the previous year paper which is available on this official website. Go to this official website, you can check out the previous year questions available on this paper on this portal easily, right? आपको आसानी से मिल जाएगा क्वेश्चन पेपर, राइट? क्वेश्चन पेपर का पैटर्न हम अभी डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, वो सेपरेट सेशन है और आपको पता भी होता है, आप पेपर खुद से भी देख सकते हो. बट एज ए स्टूडेंट व्हेन यू एस्पायर कि आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा मार्क्स रिटर्न में लाना है, और दूसरा चीज कि हर सेक्शन में कट ऑफ क्लियर होना चाहिए. यू नीड टू clear cut off in each section as well as each paper section as well as you can say overall. So that means you need to maximize your score as well. Maximize मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा ला सके, एक मिनिमम से काम नहीं चलता because of course the number of seats are very less. Declare नहीं करते but it's less than 50 generally, right? So now when you see upon the maths paper, right? Maths वाला जो पेपर होता है उसमें maths और reasoning दोनों होते हैं. There are two sets, 50 questions for mathematics, 50 for reasoning, right? Now today we'll be discussing what you need to do for mathematics. I am assuming that those who are watching and those some students who are observing this and who has inquired about, they are as an average. तो मैं उनको average मान के चल रहा हूँ, right? So the first thing you need to do in the first 1 month or 1.5 months, that take out 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th की आप RS अग्रवाल मैथमेटिक्स ले लें or RD Sharma, and if you feel that this is quite costly or something, you can take NCERTs as well. But I will say that RD Sharma is good, although it looks voluminous, but many of the questions are repeated. That means you can practice many of the questions from RS Agarwal or RD Sharma. Indirectly, you have to go back to your school time, right? If you are a new candidate to the Armed Forces exam. But if you have already appeared for FCAT, INET, blah blah blah, right? Serious. You don't need to read anything about mathematics, right? You can easily score 35 plus out of 50 in mathematics. Why I said 35? Because time is the constant. Time. Because 2 घंटे में आपको ये 100 क्वेश्चन करने होते हैं, 120 minutes, and this is around 100 question. So it becomes very difficult because sometimes reasoning question as well as some geometry questions also consumes time. What is the difference between FCAT level mathematics and TA level. AFCAT is basically, arithmetic kind of mathematics. But in Territorial Army paper, you will get question related to the mensuration, you will get questions to the geometry, trigonometry, everything. You will get at least one question from each and every aspect of mathematics. मतलब आपको ये किताबें करनी पड़ेंगी अगर आप अच्छा करना चाहते हो, along with speed, right? अगर आप बहुत बिल्कुल पहले से आप मैथ्स बिल्कुल नहीं जानते तो ट्राई टू गेट द इजीएस्ट वन. आप 6th क्लास की किताब उठाई, एनसीईआरटी ले लो या अपने स्टेट्स की कोई बुक्स लो. यू कैन टेक तमिलनाडु स्टेट बुक्स, Kerala government state buks. These all are equally good. Maths is maths, right? Concept can be built from anywhere. So go back to basics. It will hardly take 1.5 months, right, to finish this. But after that, try to solve the question paper within time. That means 50 question should be done in 40 to 45 minutes, right? Because reasoning में कुछ question फंस जाते हैं और आपकी कोशिश ये होती है कि हम रीजनिंग में ज्यादा से ज्यादा करें. अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू स्कोर अ मिनिमम ऑफ 20 प्लस करेक्ट. यहां भी 20 करना पड़ता है बिकॉज 20% इज द मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशन फॉर ईच ऑफ द सेक्शन. तो आपकी कोशिश ये होना चाहिए कि मैं दोनों में 30 प्लस जरूर करूं. अदरवाइज यू विल बी लेफ्ट आउट इन द रेस. बिकॉज जो बाकी बच्चे जैसे सीडीएस वाले बच्चे होते हैं या फिर एसएससी स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन वाले, दे हैव हायर एक्यूरेसी रेशियो एज वेल एज स्पीड रेशियो. तो उनके कंपैरिजन में आप थोड़ा सा पीछे रह सकते हैं बिकॉज एफकेट में टाइम की कमी शायद बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होती, बट इस एग्जाम में टाइम की कमी हो जाएगी. तो यू फॉर प्रैक्टिस यू कैन टेक एसएससी की सीएचएसएल वाली बुक आती है, एसएससी एग्जाम के सीएचएसएल प्लस 2 लेवल पे. दिस बुक इज गुड इनफ. इसके मैथ्स ऑलमोस्ट इसके रिलेवेंट होते हैं. वहां भी बेसिक टेस्टिंग मैथ्स में स्पीड की होती है एंड सिंपल क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन. अगर मैं आपको 2 घंटे दूं तो आप सारे क्वेश्चन कर लोगे साइड, बट विद इन 40 इट इज डिफिकल्ट. दैट्स व्हाई स्पीड होल्ड्स द की, राइट? द फर्स्ट थिंग which I talked about, practice the mathematics from the basics books of 7th and 9th till 10th का लास्ट में करना, 7 and 9 में कर लो तो भी आपका 80% प्रिपेयर हो जाता है. So that's all. I feel that this discussion might be helpful for you. Although the TA notification for 2020 hasn't come out, I think it will be delayed, right? But as and if the official notification comes out, we will be definitely starting the online classroom program as well as the study material booklets, right? We are in order to compile the question bank. हम question bank compile करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा quality question collect करने में time लगता है. That will be available in July, right? Which can be sent by post जैसे ही सब कुछ normal हो जाता है. Thank you. All the best.